इस जग के सारे काम तेरा 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 तू जगदता विश्वविदता तू जगदता विश्वविदता तू ही सुबह तू ही शाम तेरा 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 जग में सचो तेरो नाम तेरा 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 तेरा
Thought for the day.
Whose turn is there for thought for the day?
Roll number 10.
Roll number 10. Is she there? No, she is not there. I can't see her. Roll number 11.
Present, ma'am.
Read thought. Yes, roll number 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Read some thought, dear.
Do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Therefore, tomorrow always comes tomorrow.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen? Or you are all in the meeting only? You can see. Otherwise, sit here. Keep my bag somewhere. And one on one bench. As long as possible, one on one bench. Take chairs. Yeah? Yes. So today we are going to see the structure called as lattice. Okay. In yesterday's class, we saw that it is not necessary that every pair of elements will have LUV or GLV, right? That totally depends upon the relation, and according to Hayes diagram, you can always find out LUV and GLV. So we are going to see the structure where every pair of elements has LUV and GLV both. Okay. So let us define now lattices. So this is the title of your chapter actually, and you can see after so many days spending on this chapter, now finally we have arrived at lattices, right? So there are so many things which you need to understand before actually defining anything in mathematics, right? You need to have the background of that. We started from functions and now we are at lattices, okay? So gradually we are developing. So it is, today's topic is lattices. Yes? Yes. Okay. So what is a lattice? Now it is a poset basically. Okay. But now we want to differentiate it from a poset. It is a special type of poset. Now in poset we have seen that every pair of elements need not have LUB and GLB. Okay, but in lattice we are going to see this, and therefore instead of denoting a lattice by P, I'm going to use the letter L. But basically it is a coset. That means there is some kind of partial order relation defined on that set. Partial order relation means it is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. Got it? Yes. So write the definition of lattice now. Opposite definition is very easy. Opposite in which every pair of elements has a GLB, greatest lower bound, and then LUB, least upper bound. I can say O is called as a lattice. Both, huh? Opposite in which every pair of elements has both a GLB and a LUB is called as a lattice. A lattice is denoted by L less equal is for the partial order relation. There is some kind of partial order relation defined on that. Then there is meet and join. Okay? Because we are saying that it is an algebraic structure where every pair of elements has LUB and GLB, and therefore we have to represent it as meet and join. In case of coset, we just say P less equal. Okay, but this is something beyond that, so we have to explain that. Okay, our notation itself should explain the properties of that structure. So L stands for lattice, less equal stands for some kind of partial order relation, and meet and join. Okay, GLB of A and B is denoted by A meet B, right? And it is read as A meet B. Okay? LUB of A and B is denoted by A. So this is OR and this is AND symbol, right? And always reduces the magnitude of the operation. Okay? And OR always enhances the magnitude, right? 0 into 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 0. 1. Right? So OR is addition and is multiplication. So here also and means meet. Meet means it gives a smaller answer. And join means it gives you the bigger answer. Okay? A join B, and it is read as A join B. All of you are getting this, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can join, yes. I told you that you can join if you want. Even if I keep it like this, can you see? Can you see now? Can you see now? छोटा है ना font size. Finished writing? It will create an echo. So for examples, I am referring to this book, okay, not for the concept. So once you define lattices, you should have examples with me. So any example you can give me where you can definitely say that yes, meet and join of every pair of elements exist.
हमारा सिलेबस आणून खाली जायचं
Yes. Any example? Where meet and join definitely exists. Girls who are in the meeting, they can also answer. Any example where you can say that meet and join definitely exists. Consider D45. Okay? D45. So what is the set D45? Set of all divisors of 45, right? So what are the divisors of 45?
Ma'am, 1,
I'm
3, 5,
expecting
1,
answer,
9,
5,
15, 45.
9.
right? And how does the Hayes diagram look like? There are 6 elements, so it is a hexagon, right? So one is at the bottom because one divides every relation. So D45 divides is the poset. Less equal is nothing but divides here. So one divides every number or one divides every element of D45. Therefore, one is at the bottom. Every element divides 45. So 45 is at the top. Now 1 is covered by which elements?
3.
4 and 3 and 5.
3
5.
and 5.
4 is not there.
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Because 1 divides 3, 1 divides 5, and there is no element in between 1 and 3, in between 1 and 5. Right? 3 is covered by
9.
9, and 5 is covered by
14.
15.
15.
15.
9
Ma'am,
and
3 is
15 both
also
are,
covered by 15.
yes, 3 is covered by 15 as well. So you can see in yesterday, do you remember yesterday's structure? We had something like this, okay? And we had
Yes.
these two connected, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And because this element was connected to this element, we couldn't find out LUV and GLB of these two elements. You remember? That has to be unique, LUV and GLB, because I'm saying greatest. So when I say greatest superlative degree, it has to be unique, right? So here you are not getting such kind of structure. Hmm? So now we will see how to construct meet and join table. Can you say now here that meet and join of every element, pair of elements exists here? Can you say? What I told you, this is called as the लीस्ट एलिमेंट. क्या नाम है उसका अभी? लीस्ट एलिमेंट. और इसका नाम क्या है? द
Greatest.
ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट. ओके, of D45. 0 is the least element, 1 is the least element, and 45 is the greatest element of D45. Now, least element, if you take meet of least element with any element, meet of least element with any element, then you will get the same meet. then you will get the answer as the least element. Meet of the least element and any element of D45 will give you least element. Okay, so 1 meet 1 is 1, 1 meet 3 is also 1,
1.
1 meet 5 is also 1,
1.
1 meet 9 is 1, 1 meet 15 is 1, 1 meet 45 is also 1. Okay. Now, if you take join of the greatest element with any element of D45, 1 join 45, the answer is 45. 3 join 45, answer is 45. 5 join 45, answer is 45. 9 join 45, answer is 45. And 45 join 45 is, of course, 45 itself. What about others in between? You can have 3 and 5, 3 and every element, 3 and every other element. So, how many pairs will be formed? Can you tell me? Likewise, right now I have taken how many pairs? 12 pairs I have taken, right? All 12 pairs are distinct here. Likewise, how many such pairs can be formed? Pairs are formed of how many elements? 2. And you have how many elements with you? 6.
6.
You are choosing 2 out of 6. So that can be done in how many ways? 6C2 ways. How many ways? 6C2 selection. You are selecting 2 out of available 6. So 6C2 pairs will be available. 6C2 means 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1. Right? So 15 pairs, 15 such pairs will be there. In combination, order is not important. That means when I say 145, it is same as 45 1. 45 join 1. 1 join 45 is same as 45 join 1. So when you change the order, the combination is not different. Okay. So now you are left with 3 join 5, 3 meet 5. Right? These are for meet. For meet, how many I am getting? 6. For join, how many I am getting? 6. So I am left with 9 more for meet and 9 more for join. Are you getting it? So 3 join 5, then you have 3 join 9, then you have 3 join 15, 3 join 45. Likewise, you can list out them. But listing will be very difficult, right? Listing all such pairs will be really difficult. You can skip something, you can omit something by mistake. So to avoid this, we are going to see something called as meet and join tables. Okay, so let us see that now. Meet and join tables. So how to construct? So first of all, you have to understand and convince yourself that D45 is a lattice. Yes or no? Okay. So I will write here that observe that. ये ऑब्जर्व आपको करना है हाँ. We will prepare the tables. Observe that. Or okay, let us write it later on. It's okay. Meet and join tables पहले prepare करते हैं. Once we get the table, complete table, we can claim that D45 is a lattice. Okay. So let me draw the Hayes diagram again. Okay, and now I will prepare only meet table. Girls, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. So horizontally and vertically, I need to write down all my elements. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Okay, so what is 1 meet 1?
1.
One.
1.
1 meet 1 is 1. I told you that 1 is the least element. So you take meet of 1 with every element, that is going to be 1 always. So I can write this as 1 directly, straight away. Similarly, in case of logic, you have seen that conjunction and disjunction are commutative. Similarly, here meet and join are also commutative. We will come to their properties gradually, okay? One by one. So here 1 meet 1 and 1 meet 3. Now 1 meet 3 is same as 3 meet 1. Okay? 1 meet 3 is same as 3 meet 1. That means in general A meet B is equal to B meet A. So I can write 1 over here also. Right? Now what is 3 meet 3? 3.
Three.
Okay? This is idempotency rule. A meet A is A. So 3 meet 3 is 3, 5 meet 5 is 5, 9 meet 9 is 9, 15 meet 15 is 15, and 45 meet 45 is 45. Okay? Now remaining fields we need to fill. So what is 3 meet 5 now? From the diagram, when you want to find out meet, in the Hayes diagram,
One.
look below both the elements and where they are getting connected first time. First time. So yes, any doubt?
1.
One.
1. 3 meet 5. You have to look below them, and where they are meeting at 1. Yesterday also I showed you that if there is some element, some other element here, suppose below 1 I have some other element, say 0, some kind of phase diagram if I am considering. Then there are two lower bounds, two common lower bounds of 3 and 5. 0 and 1. But 0 is also less equal 1. So which one is the greatest lower bound? 1. Getting
One.
it?
1.
Yes. So right now there is only one element. So it is 1. Then 3 meet 9 now.
Ma'am, three. Ma'am, three.
Yes, correct. 3 meet 9, I told you that 3 is below 9. So whenever you find that, in case of A meet B, if A is below B in the Hayes diagram, that means A is less equal B. Then A will be this is a theorem, we are going to see this as a theorem or property. If A is less equal B, then A meet B is equal to A. I'm so sorry. Now, one more thing you can remember whenever you are considering DN sets, O sets, and the relations divides them. So meet is nothing but GCD of those two numbers, and join is nothing but LCM of those two numbers whenever your partial order relation is divides. Do you understand? So what is 3 and 9 ka GCD? What is
Ma'am,
GCD of 3 and 9?
three.
3. Correct? So it is very easy for you. Without Hayes diagram also, you should be able to write that. Meet is nothing but GCD and join is nothing but LCM. So what is 3 meet 9? It is 3.
Three.
3 meet 15
Three.
3.
is again 3. 3 meet 45.
Ma'am,
3.
3.
Yes. So 3, the row of 3 is either 1, because see, 3 does not divide 5. 3 and 5 are co-prime. Their GCD is 1. So 1 has come over here. बाकी सब जगह पे 3 डिवाइड करता है इस नंबर को. 3 divides 3, 3 divides 9, 3 divides 15, 3 divides 45. So it has to be 3. Now 5 does not divide 3 again. 5 and 3 का मीट आ गया 1. 5 and 9 का मीट बताओ. 5 and 9 are they comparable?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, 1.
No, ma'am. No.
No. So what is their GCD? 1.
1.
1.
1.
And here also you can see 5 and 9 वो सब नीचे कहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं एक दूसरे को?
Ma'am, 1 पे.
1 पे. Now 5 meet 15.
Ma'am,
It
5.
is 5. Correct.
5.
5 meet 45.
5 again.
So wherever 5
5.
divides that number, 5 divides 5. So meet is 5. 5 divides 15. So GCD is 5. And 5 divides 45, GCD is 5. Now 9 and 3, already we have seen it is 3. 9 and 5, it is 1.
1.
9 and 15 now, are they comparable?
No, ma'am. 3
No.
will be
Not
here.
comparable, but their common lower bounds are
Ma'am, 3
1
and
and 3.
3.
So what is GCD of 9 and 15?
ma'am, 3.
9 can be written as 3 into 3, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So their GCD is 3. You can see they are meeting at 3. Okay? 9 and 45?
9.
9 itself.
9.
15 and 3? 3. 15 and 5? 5. 15 and 9 again 3. 15 and 45 is
15.
15. And here the elements will appear again. This is how a meet table can be constructed. Okay? So it's a 6 cross 6 grid you have. And if you consider this main diagonal, कितने एंट्रीज हो गए आपके? ये तो नीचे वाले सेम ही आएंगे ना. इट्स अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. कैन यू सी? Is it a symmetric matrix? First row is same as first column. Second row is same as second column. So actually how many distinct entries are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so out of 36, some are repeated, no? Now I will just copy this page and we will construct. Finished writing joint meet table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us prepare the joint table. So join means LCM. Okay? Join means LCM. Now join 1 is 1. 1 join 3 क्या होगा? अभी ऊपर देखना है, नीचे नहीं देखना है, अभी ऊपर देखना है.
Ma'am,
So this will be 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. If you don't understand, please ask me. And any element If its join is taken with the greatest element, that is 45, the answer is going to be 45. Okay? So this is how it can be constructed. Girls, are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is 3 join 5?
15.
15.
3 जॉइन
15.
5 ऊपर देखना है वो सबसे पहले कहाँ पे एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं 15 45 भी उनका अपर बाउंड है राइट कॉमन अपर बाउंड ढूंढने हैं 9 इज अपर बाउंड ओनली फॉर 3 5 डज नॉट डिवाइड 9 so 9 is not there 3 divides 15 5 divides 15 3 divides 45 and 5 also divides 45 so 15 and 45 both are upper bounds of 3 and 5 but 15 divides 45 so 15 is the least upper bound among all the upper bounds I have to find the least the least is not with respect to magnitude. The least is with respect to the partial order relation. Okay? Automatically, in case of divides, it becomes magnitude wise also smaller. है ना? So 3 join 5 is
15.
LCM 15 होता है ना 3 और 5 का
Yes,
कॉमन
ma'am.
मल्टीपल्स अगर आप ले लो तो पहला कॉमन मल्टीपल कौन सा है 15 3 join 9 now 3 and 9 are related. So
Ma'am, 9.
it will be
9.
9. 1 क्यों आएगा ऊपर देखना है आपको 3 और 9 के अपर बाउंड्स कौन कौन है 3 divides 9 9 divides 9 right so 9 is the upper bound of 3 and 9 3 divides 45 9 divides 45 so how many upper bounds are there 2 9 and 45 but 9 divides 45 so 9 is the least upper bound least next 3 and 15
15.
15.
3 and 15 is 15 yes 5 and 3 15
Ma'am, 15.
15.
15.
5 and 9
9.
5 and 9
45.
it will be 45
40.
because 5 and 9 are not comparable 5 divides 15 but 9 does not divide 15 9 divides 45 5 divides 45 so there is only one upper bound for 5 and 9 and that has to be the least upper bound okay 5 and 15
15.
next 9 and 3 9 join 3 is 9
9.
9 join 5 is 45
45.
9 join 15 is also
45.
45 now 15 join 3 is 15 15 join 5 is also 15 15 join 9 is
45.
45.
okay so you can see here meet and join tables are not empty nowhere you got stuck with the existence of LUB or GLB. You have got LUB and GLB for every pair of elements in D45 and therefore D45 is a lattice. In fact, every DL will be a lattice. Okay? So observe that in D45 every pair of elements has has an LUB and a GLB. Therefore, D45, what is the relation? Divides, है ना? Divides. D45 divides is a lattice. Right now, I'm writing only this one. A lattice is denoted by L less equal meet and join. So D45 divides meet and join is a lattice. So please remember, whenever you are having divides relation, join is nothing but LCM, okay, and meet is nothing but GCD. And you know that GCD of every two integers exists. LCM of every two integers exists. तो ये पूरा सब करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. When you define like that, GCD and LCM have to exist, then that means meet and join have to exist for any DN, and therefore they are lattices always. Any DN you consider, D6, D8, D45, D110, D60, any number you consider, all those structures are lattices. Okay. Similarly, when you consider the power cell, you remember that Bayes diagram? Suppose you have three elements. Another example I am considering. Let A be equal to A, B, C. So what is power set of A? 5. बोलो.
Singleton A, singleton B,
ऑफलाइन मीटिंग वाले लोग बोल नहीं रहे.
singleton C,
सिंगलटन C,
A comma B,
A, B,
B comma C, A comma C,
and A,
and
B.
AB.
Right? That is the set itself. And define less equal as contained in, right? On P of A. That is, for x, y belong to P of A, x is less equal y if and only if x is a subset of y, right? So PA and contained in is a coset. This we already have seen so many times. It is a coset. So what are the meet and join operations over here? In this coset, the meet and join operations would be nothing but union and intersection. And union of every two element, every two sets exists. Intersection of every two sets exists. Yes, because even though they are not, they don't have anything in common, we can say it is fine. So it is exist in the existence, right? So the Hayes diagram will be a cube. You start from 5, then you have 3, then again you have 3 here. Okay, so this is singleton A, singleton B, and singleton C. This is BC, this is AC, this is AB, and this is ABC. Okay, so PA contained in is a lattice as we define, or as we have. We don't define it, we have, or we observe that x meet y is nothing but x intersection y. Okay? And x join y is equal to, yeah, x union y. And x meet, x intersection y, x union y exists, always exist for any xy. Therefore, x meet y and x join y exist for any x and y, right? And therefore, I can say P of A. I need not to prepare the construct the table also. You can construct it. Okay, as an exercise, you can construct the meet and join table, but I need not to check it, as I know the standard definition of meet and join for these particular sets. Okay, so PA contained in is a lattice. So any number of elements you consider in A, if you have two elements, you will get a different Hayes diagram. Four subsets होंगे उसके, phi A, B and AB. If you have four elements, you will have another structure, some different structure, and you will have 16 elements in your OSE. That will be also a lattice, okay? Because the same operation you are defining. Have you understood it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And have you understood how to construct the meet and join tables?
Yes, ma'am.
पक्का? So आपका होमवर्क है, prepare meet and join tables for this, okay? For this Hayes diagram. For the previous example. P of A and contained in. Okay? So you will have 8 elements, 8 by 8 ka grid diagram. Okay? So that is a tedious job to list out all such, but we should understand the moral of the story and we should be able to summarize it in short like this. Okay, so whenever you are talking about divides relation, LCM is LUB, GCD is GLB. When you have subset of relation, union is LUB and intersection is GLB. Will you remember this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now let us see properties of lattices. Next topic. First one. So these are, kind of theorems you can consider. Theorem 1, let L less equal be a lattice A, B, C belong to L. Then the first thing we have is A is less equal A join B. Always remember this. A is less equal A join B. A और B का जो कोई join होगा, every element will be always less equal. B is also less equal A join B. And what is A join B? A join B is the least upper bound of A and B. This is one of the properties you should remember. If A is less equal C and B is also less equal C, That means C is an upper bound of A and B. You know? C is an upper bound of A and B. And what is A join B? What is A join B?
Lower upper bound.
Least upper bound ना, lower bound कैसे ले?
हाँ,
What is
least
A
upper
join
bound.
B? यहाँ पे लिखा है ना मैंने. Here I am writing A is less equal C, B is less equal C. Means what? C is an upper bound. And what is A join B? It is the least upper bound. Least upper bound. What is the connection between least upper bound and an upper bound? Totally confused. Totally confused. है ना?
Ma'am, both of them are divided by, are
Divide.
greater or
divide बोलूँ. देखो, 3 is less equal. मैं अभी D45 पे ही हूँ, हाँ? 3 is less equal 15. 5 is also less equal 15. Huh? So 15 is what? An upper bound. What is
Upper
3
bound.
join 5? That is also 15. But I know 15 is less equal 15 ना in this case. और अगर ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो 3 is less equal 45, 5 is less equal 45 है ना. Less equal means 3 divides 45, 5 divides 45, right? But what is 3 join 5? 50,
15.
है ना? And what do you know about 15 and 45? 15 is less equal 45 because 15 divides 45.
45.
So this is least upper bound, na? Least upper bound, and this is just an upper bound. So what is the connection between least upper bound and upper bound? Least upper bound is always less equal any upper bound. Okay? Then A join B is less equal C. A join B is less equal C. Okay? Again A join B क्या है हमारा? Least upper bound है. For example in D45, 3 is less equal 45 and 5 is less equal 45. Therefore, 45 is an upper bound of 3 and 5. Okay? Now what is 3 join 5? 3 join 5 is 15 in D45. Okay? See the diagram. But 15 divides 45 implies 15 is less equal 45 implies LUB is less equal UB. समझा? Any least upper bound is always less equal any upper bound. Third, similarly, what can I have? A meet B is less equal A, and A meet B is less equal B. The greatest lower bound is always less equal the elements involved in it. Okay? जैसे हमने अपर बाउंड के बारे में कुछ लिखा, वैसे ही A meet B is less equal A and A meet B is less equal B. A meet B is the GLB of A and B. ओके? दिख रहा है लेकिन आपको? Now if C is less equal A, C is less equal B. That means C is a lower bound. C is a lower bound. Then what is the connection between the lower bound and the greatest lower bound? What can you say about C and A join B? A meet B, sorry. C and A meet B. Will C less equal A meet B or A meet B less equal C? Greatest lower bound. Trupti, I'm in the lecture. 10 मिनिटं. यस, बताओ. देखो, D45 आपने किया था ड्रॉ. हाँ. C is less equal A, C is less equal B. Suppose 3 is less equal 9 and 3 is less equal 15. Correct? Correct, no? So
Yes, ma'am.
3 is the lower bound of 9 and 15. Okay? And what is the greatest lower bound of 9 and 15? That is also 3. In this case, that is also 3. 9 और 15 का जीसीडी क्या है? 3 है ना? जीसीडी GLB ना? जीसीडी मीन्स GLB. याद रखने के लिए आसान है वैसे. GG LL. हाँ? So here 3 is less equal 3. 3 is less equal 3 because 3 divides 3 आता है. You can consider some other pair. What about 5 and 9? बताओ. 5 is, what are the lower bounds of 5? 5 is less equal 5.
1.
What? 955 कैसे? आपण सँक्चुरी मॅमना सांग ना, सँक्चुरी मध्ये वेळ गेला मॅडमचा. 9:10 we started ना. When we started? 9 o'clock ना. तो उनको बोल 10 बज गए क्या? लगेच 10 मिनिटं बघा लोक. Okay, so C is less equal the meet of A and B. Any lower bound is less equal the greatest lower bound. Any lower bound is less equal the greatest lower bound, and any least upper bound is less equal any upper bound. उल्टा है, समझा? मतलब देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखूं मैं? Any lower bound is less equal greatest lower bound होता है, and LUB is less equal any upper bound होता है. Okay? ठीक है? So these are the examples of lattices. Have you understood lattices?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will continue with some more properties. Those are theorems which we have to do. Okay? 1-2 मिनिटं अटेंडन्स होती. पीटी नव्हतं म्हणून मी स्टार्ट केलं. Yes. Give me attendance.
Roll number 1.
Fast.
Roll number 1 is present.
Roll number 2.
Fast.
Ma'am, roll number 5.
4. Next.
7.
Fast.
7.
9.
Next.
9.
जल्दी करो गर्ल्स. जिनका हो गया है वैशाली मैडम का लेक्चर ज्वाइन करो. यस. 1 2 4 5 6 7. नेक्स्ट. 9.
हाँ.
11.
10. 11.
14.
16. 19.
23.